Welcome to Alisa Hotel. We are here to fix door locks and program the locks. Let's go inside. I'm here to program the door locks. Very interesting. Let's go inside. This first door.
Barbecue we have it like everything, grills, salads, rice, yes. And then whatever we drink,
So, we are going to the rooms.
The VIP floor. Okay.
Alright, so this is the executive floor. That is the main access door to the executive lounge. If you don't have a card that is programmed to open this door, you will not have access into the executive lounge. Okay, and this is the executive. Sorry, this is another executive. This is the executive access, and that's the executive lounge. So all the executive lounge have been programmed on this card, so you can actually go into the executive lounge. Right, so this is the access floor, and this access floor leads to the main executive bedrooms. Super. So this is how the floor to the executive rooms. Alright, so these are the locks. Without the card, as you can see, it won't open. But once you use the card, the lock is activated and the door opens. Once you go in, it's locked. It's locked in the energy card, and then the lights come on. Okay, everything comes on. So this is the executive lounge. It has a mini bar, nice cozy area. Alright. And a super bedroom. The super bedroom. I mean, this is fantastic. Alright. So everything has been automated. The IPTV system. And then all the lights, and then you see the switch. Okay. The washroom. This is a fabulous washroom. I mean, this is more than a bedroom for me, you know. Check this out. And then you have another access from the washroom back into the main hall or living room area for the master bedroom.
Islam is there, yes. Integration by you can
Okay, so you want locks properly done for you, properly engineered. We have the skill to be able to manage the internal mechanism and get it done. No matter the challenge, we'll be able to sort it out. We are at Alisa Hotel trying fixing some locks. These are the holes in the lock mechanism. Yeah, that's the cover right there. Taking off to change the orientation of the lock mechanism. All right, so that's it. Thank you.
Programming the door locks. As you can see, this door lock is being assembled so that you can use your card to access and have everything working. Yeah, so if you want your locks professionally done, call us now. This is Alisa. We've done a professional door lock installation and programming. We do excellent lock installation, excellent software installation, excellent automation for the hotel. This is Alisa Hotel Tema. Thank you very much.